100%. And then the other thing that still boggles my mind, like, it hurts my brain, is how easy it is to make money in 2024, yet how few people are utilizing the tools. And it's really a big paradigm shift in the world. How many people are actually utilizing it? What do I mean by that? One, we have the internet. You can connect to anyone, anywhere around the world at any moment. I want you to take that in. You can connect to anyone, anywhere in the world at any moment through the power of the internet. That didn't exist 50 years ago. That's insane. We can have this conversation right here. And it doesn't matter where in the world you are. If we actually understood the power of that, I think we would utilize the internet to actually move our life forward instead of let the internet use us. That's true for social media as well. Most people are consumers, they're not producers. They 100% of the time consume. Me, I try to strike a balance. Like, I'll consume 20% of the time, but 80% of the time I'll be producing. I'll be creating. I'll be creating value. And then 3, we have the blockchain. DeFi really didn't exist a couple years ago. To me, when I actually started understanding blockchain technology and crypto beyond, and you do have to understand the crypto culture, but beyond the crypto culture, my brain started hurting 10 times more than it hurts when I think about the power of the internet. I get goosebumps. We have this available to us on this thing. We have this available to us on this freaking computer thing. And these computers don't cost $50,000 like they would have, 20, 30 years ago. They cost $400, $500. You can get a computer that will do what you need it to do. Social media is free. Anything that is free, you are the product at that time, so you get served ads, but you get the point. Is it just me? Is it just me? Am I crazy? I get overwhelmed by the things we just talked about. I get overwhelmed in a good way. I get goosebumps. I'm like, this is the greatest opportunity we've ever had as human beings to break free from the system. The system being working a job you hate for people you don't want to be around, commuting an hour each way, and getting home exhausted, lying on the couch, never moving your life forward. Now, I don't think everyone should start a business and everyone should be, building companies. That's unrealistic. But it's never been easier to find a job that you love. It's the internet, with people that you enjoy building with. In CryptoLabs, that's literally, I wake up every morning, I'm like, that is the goal. To create a company that people love working in and collaborating in, to build a business that raises it's basically a personal development program. Whether you work with us, for us, around us, clients, members, I don't care. I want people to leave better than they were before they entered our brand or entered our system. I don't even care if that's YouTube and they never pay us. That's the power of the internet. Access to information, access to these videos, access to whatever. It's never been easier to literally do something and get paid for it. Or maybe that is start a business. I mean, if we're talking crypto DeFi, that is starting a DeFi business, but it's never been easier. Why do people choose to remain stuck doing something they hate around people they don't like, just to buy stuff to impress people that don't care about them and be in debt? And do that for the next 40, 50 years. Tell me why. Well, it's fear. We all know why. But apart from that, there's an opportunity. There is no problem. There's only opportunity. Behind every problem, there is an opportunity. I don't want to go off a tangent here, but, I don't like my job. Okay, there's an opportunity to get a better job. I don't like my financial situation. My investments aren't making me any money. I don't have any money invested. Perfect. Problem, solution, blockchain, DeFi. You can start with a couple $100, a couple $1,000. I just did a video on how I took $4,000, turned it into 18 grand, and it's making me almost $300 per day. That was in 6 weeks. You're telling me there's no opportunity? You are telling me there is no opportunity for you. You can live on an island in the middle of nowhere with 50 people on that island. As long as you can get internet, you have a phone or a computer, you have as much opportunity as someone living in New York City or, LA.